Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to disable screensaver on your Amazon Fire TV stick. So before going to start the video, if not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, first of all you have to enter the setting option. You can see a last option, setting. Just click on that. After that you can see here first line, last option, display and audio. You just need to enter in display and audio option. Just click on this display and audio. After that you can see a screensaver. Just click on this. After that you can see a start time. By default it is selected as 5 minutes. Just click on this and select never. After selecting never, the screensaver will be disabled. That's it guys. So in this way you can disable screensaver on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.